And he is Spiky. No, Spiky. Nice. And today we're going to be unboxing the Fast 88 foldable kick scooter. Box this thing. And happy Halloween to all our Spiky and the Flash fans out there. Whoa, that's so awesome! Let's get out the directions on how to build it. Wow, this is very well packaged. I believe we have a carrier strap and we have a kickstand. I believe it's a detachable kickstand with the instructions and all the tools and bolts that you want to be able to put on the strap and the kickstand. These wheels are the best wheels I have seen on an unboxing. We also have a reflector here. We have a shock absorber that you can see through this little glass window. And we also have another shock absorber right up here. Very easy to fold up and to fold down. And it's all for all ages. Let's see how we can fold this up. That's it. It's ready to ride. Right here would be the height for the spark, but for me and Spiky, we have to higher it up, just like this. There we go. Show you how to ride. This brake is super awesome. The shocks make it super smooth on the bump.
Adults can ride this thing. I'm going to set this up to the highest setting. Get this is locked in and give it a ride. Oh yeah! Yeah, I like the smoothness because it's not as bumpy as all the other scooters that I've ridden. And I can feel that shock. Nice brake too. Really solid ride. Love it. Try that on a regular scooter, baby.
Hi. You want to race a dirt bike? Heck yes, I do. Ready, set, go. Of the Raleigh PD. Today, I have a new ride, the Fast 88 scooter. This will help me with my speed trap idea to catch more neighborhood speeders. We imprisoned the last neighborhood speeder. Let's see if we can get some more. Well, these guys are obeying the law. Looks like we have no speeders so far today. Nobody can catch me on any vehicle! Oh my gosh, we caught one! Let's go catch him on my scooter! Come on, get out of your go-kart! My Fast 88 scooter will catch anything. We love the Fast 88 scooter.
Well, I don't.
We really enjoyed our Fast 88 scooter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching Spiky and the Flash.